Welcome to a quick guide on using Siyuan, a powerful privacy-first note-taking app. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to get started and make the most of it. First, download Siyuan from b3log.org or your app store. It's free for local use on Windows, Mac, Linux, or mobile. Open the app, create a new notebook by clicking the plus in the document tree panel and name it. Let's say My Notes. To add a note, click plus next to your notebook and select New Document. Type your content using Markdown for formatting, like hashtags for headers or asterisks for bold text. Siyuan's editor shows your formatting in real time. Add images or tables by dragging them in or using the toolbar. Siyuan uses blocks for flexible organization. Highlight text, right-click, and select Turn into Block to create reusable snippets. Link notes by typing double brackets, like bracket bracket note name bracket bracket for bidirectional connections. Use the outline view, Alt+2, to navigate your note structure. Export notes as PDF, HTML, or Markdown via the top right menu. For syncing, set up cloud storage and settings for secure end-to-end encrypted backups. Local use, though, is always offline and free. That's Siyuan in a nutshell. Explore its block references and plugins for more power. Thanks so much for watching, and start building your digital garden today.